can all be together. This is the last part in which we can come to know that what an author had did finally, whether they have reached to the island or not. Author might be saved his family or not. Let's all the solution we will get into part 4. Let's start page number 17, last part. Okay. I checked and rechecked my calculation. So finally author again and again rechecked the calculation how much distance still they will have to complete. We had lost our main compass. Finally the main compass that shows the direction. They have lost that compass into that great storm. I was using a spare, but yes, they were having another compass into a spare, which had not been corrected. That was not correct. That not shows the correct direction, and magnetic variation was not correct. I made an allowance, and for these and another estimate of the influence of westerly current which flow through this part of the Indian Ocean. That compass shows westerly direction, and according to that direction the author decided to move to the direction on west. About 2 p.m. At noon about 2 p.m. I went on deck. Again the author went on deck and asked Larry, who was a crewman, to steer a course of 185 degrees. Now when he comes on to the ship and nearby the wheel, at that time he informed Larry to rotate the ship nearby the angle of 185 degree. 185 degree पे rotate करने के लिए बोला. And if we were lucky, let us see, this compass will not show sometimes correct direction, but into a spare they were having one compass, and author has used that compass in which it shows some direction into west side throughout the Indian Ocean. And just because of that, author has decided to keep rotation of the ship nearby 185 degree, and that's why if they were lucky they could find island. And if they were lucky, I told him with a conviction. Conviction means what? Conviction means great or firm belief. उन्हें भरोसा था, if suppose they might be become lucky, then they would find island over there. I did not fail. Even the author was not literally confirmed whether this way we are going right or not, and thus he could expect to see the island at about 5 p.m. If they were lucky, then at 5 p.m. definitely they would find island. अगर ये रास्ता सही है, then and then only they could find the island over there. Then with a heavy heart. It was a heavy heart just because they are not having any proper way. This is just assumption. Just because the compass has not shown the correct direction. So what to do? Still author has decided according to that compass, and they have moved their ship toward west direction, and thus I went below. Again the author went below the ship, climbed on my bunk. Bunk means sleeping bed, जो सोने का जो wooden plank we can say that, वहाँ पे वो लेटे, and my bunk. And amazingly means he couldn't sleep, but somehow he was dozed off, means he slept over there. When I woke up, it was 6 p.m. When eyes were open, at that time already 6 p.m. was there and growing dark, and it was just became dark. अंधेरा हो चुका था. When author opened the eyes, it was already 6 p.m. I knew we must have missed the island. What author thought over here? I knew definitely we were missed the island, just because what he told to Larry, that he had told to Larry that if we are lucky, then definitely we could get the island nearby 5 p.m. But already 6 p.m. done, and he was opening his eye and he thought that might be they have left the island. And ahead What they have got, and growing dark, I knew we must have visited the island, and with the sail we had left. And finally we have left the place. We were moving into wrong side. We couldn't hope to beat back into westerly winds. Now we can't move back just because of that wind. Westerly wind was literally very strong. So they cannot go back just because their boat was not surviving this kind of wind. The boat is not able to fight with that wind just because that ship was literally damaged by that great storm. And at that moment, a tousled had you now given into a bold handwriting. So underline it. Tousled had means untidy hair. So tousled had appeared by my bunk. As he opened the eyes, he has seen one person over there with untidy hair. बाल बिखरे हुए थे. उसने देखा कि कोई है यहाँ पे. And can I have a hug? And who was that? Jonathan, his son. He wanted to hug his father. And what he told that shoe was right behind him. Even Jonathan was there, and Jonathan asked question, may I hug you, father? And just behind him, Susan was also there. Susan भी वहाँ पे थी. Why I am getting a hug now? Why you want to give me hug now? As we are literally become failure over here. Because you are the best daddy in the world. What they both said, you are the best daddy in the world. And the best captain also. My son replied. The author heard this word from the son, Jonathan. Not today, John, I am afraid. John said that, not today. Today I am not a good father, even not a good captain. As we left the goal, हमारा goal जो था वो चला गया. Why you must be, said Susan in a matter of fact voice. Father, we did it. Why don't you understand? You have the winner. You are winner. You found the island. Definitely, we are on the island. You have found it. And he shouted. Author shouted, what? We have found the island? Where? It is out there in front of us. Come out on the deck and just look in front of us. The island was there. They chorus means they both told together as big as a battleship. We have island. It looks like a battleship. बहुत बड़ी जगह थी. And it is out there in front of us. And I rushed on the deck and gasped. Gasped means look with a relief at the stark. Stark means complete. Stark. Stark means complete. So, stark outline I Amsterdam, which was used by scientists. It was only a blick. Blick means empty. Blick means empty. Blick piece of volcanic rock. It was made just because of volcanic rock. It was a volcanic rock just because of that volcano. That island was created, and with little vegetation. There was no vegetation. The most beautiful island in the world. Definitely, it was most beautiful island in the world. We anchored offshore for the night. Offshore for the night means they have passed the night into the ship. And afterward and the next morning, all 28 inhabitants on that island, only 28 people were there. The island cheered as they helped us ashore. And finally, that 28 people helped them to come out from the ship. With land under feet, again my thoughts were full of Larry and Herbie. As the author put the lake onto the land. And finally, at that time, he was thinking about Larry and Herbie, who was a crewman. Just because they have also helped the author too much into this kind of situation. ऐसी situation में उन्होंने उनका साथ दिया था. And literally cheerful and optimistic under the direst stress. Direst means ये जो stress था, serious matter into which Larry also helpful, and even the son and daughter was helpful. Who played at the wheel for all those crucial hours? Who handled the wheel? Who handled the wheel? Mary. When Larry and Herbie was taking out the water from the ship. At that time, who was handling the wheel? Mary, the wife of author. Most of all, I thought of 7-year-old girl, 7-year-old girl Susan. Just look at her. She has got a serious injury, but still she was quiet and who did not want us to worry about head injury, and that's why she didn't tell anything. She has got literally a serious injury, but still she had not told anything to the father, which subsequently took 6 minor operation to remove recurring blood clot. Blood clot means वहाँ पे blood जम गया था, and for that she has to give 7 operation, 6 to 7 operation. By that she was recovered. Between skin and skull, skin और skull के बीच में क्या हुआ था? Blood clot हो चुका था. And for removing that, she had to give 7 operations. And of 6-year-old boy, 6-year-old boy, who was Jonathan, who was not afraid to die at once, who was not afraid to die, उसे मरने का भी डर नहीं था. So in short, at last author just thanked all the person who helped him into that situation. Even Mary, Susan, Jonathan, Larry, Herbie, all the person have helped him a lot, and that's why finally they have got the goal, and they themselves saved, all saved life. और एक की life उन्होंने बचा ली. This is our chapter. We are not afraid to die if we cannot be together. Just in these way our chapters end. Now whatever the queries you are having, you just can ask me into the live session. Definitely I am trying my best to solve your queries. Thank you.